Hey, lovebirds. Welcome back to Heart and Mind. In the passionate world of relationships, even the most compatible couples will encounter disagreements and misunderstandings. Sometimes, those moments lead to hurt feelings and require the delicate art of a sincere apology. A well-crafted apology isn't just about saying sorry. It's a bridge that rebuilds trust, mends emotional wounds, and strengthens the foundation of your love. But how do you express true remorse in a way that resonates with your partner? Let's delve into the language of love and explore the key ingredients for crafting a heartfelt apology. Step 1. Embrace empathy, stepping into their shoes. The journey to a sincere apology starts with empathy. Imagine yourself in your partner's shoes. How did your actions or words affect them? Avoid phrases like, "I'm sorry you feel that way," which minimizes their emotions. Instead, acknowledge their perspective. "I understand why you're upset. My behavior was inconsiderate, and I know it hurt you." By validating their feelings, you show genuine care and understanding. Step 2. Ownership and responsibility, taking the blame. A sincere apology doesn't shy away from responsibility. It's about owning your mistakes and taking accountability. Resist the urge to make excuses or downplay the situation. Phrases like, "if you hadn't," or "it's not my fault," deflect blame and hinder healing. Instead, take a deep breath and say, "I was wrong to action. There's no excuse for my behavior, and I accept full responsibility." Step 3. The power of I statements, expressing remorse. I statements are powerful tools for expressing remorse and focusing on the impact of your actions. Instead of accusatory statements like, "you made me feel," try, "I felt frustrated when you." This approach avoids putting your partner on the defensive and allows them to understand your perspective. Follow your I statement with genuine remorse. "I'm truly sorry for the pain I caused. You deserve better, and I deeply regret hurting you." Step 4. Beyond words, actions speak louder. A sincere apology is more than just verbal. It's about demonstrating a commitment to change. If you broke a promise, take concrete steps to follow through in the future. If you were neglecting communication, actively listen and dedicate quality time to your partner. Actions are the building blocks of trust. Show your partner through your deeds that you're serious about making things right. Step 5. The gift of forgiveness, patience and understanding. A sincere apology paves the way for forgiveness, but it's a gift your partner gets to choose. Be patient. Healing takes time, and forgiveness may not be immediate. Don't pressure your partner or keep apologizing excessively. Focus on being a better partner and demonstrating your commitment to the relationship. Remember, apologies are a two-way street. When your partner apologizes, be receptive and offer forgiveness. Bonus tip: tailoring your apology to your partner's needs. Everyone experiences and expresses emotions differently. Consider your partner's communication style when crafting your apology. Do they value words of affirmation? Write a heartfelt letter expressing your remorse. Do they appreciate acts of service? Take on a household chore they usually do. Understanding their needs personalizes your apology and shows a deeper level of care. Love is a beautiful journey, but it's not always smooth sailing. By mastering the language of sincere apologies, you can navigate the bumps in the road, strengthen your bond, and keep your love story thriving. If you're facing a specific situation and need support, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. The Heart and Mind community is always here to listen and offer guidance. Until next time, stay strong, stay connected, and keep the love alive.